In that video, you are going to learn how to disable the keyboard sound on your Samsung smartphone. Samsung smartphones, like the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, are known for having the most dreary and frustrating keyboard tone on the market. Disabling the sound has been proven to be one of the first things users do when they get in their hands a new Galaxy. But it's something that not many people know how to do. In that video, we are going to show you exactly how to turn off the keyboard chime on your Galaxy S7 or S7 Edge. First, you need to open Settings. Then go on Sounds and Vibration. Locate Keyboard Sound, just here, and slide the toggle from on to off. That's all. Enjoy the silence of your keyboard on your Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge.